Next question, just take me through with all 3 questions. Here, all these 3 questions which you see on your screen, this question, after this one more, Mr. Mukesh, next question. This 3 color question is on same pattern. I'm quite surprised how come they repeat the pattern also for the questions, like, you know, like how second, third and fourth is same pattern, 7, 6, 7 and 8 again is on same pattern. These 3 questions. There is no much difference. The only thing you have to know primary, secondary, class, color theory, and आज थोड़ा मैं color का ही बताऊंगा आपको. It will help you to know much better way the color is. Now this is the image. ये image, this is the question number 9. There is nothing much to do here. You have to look at in this image क्या क्या color है और उससे कौन सा color palette बनेगा. Rather than making a color palette which comes in a boxes, here what they did, they make instead of color palette उन्होंने क्या करा, यहाँ पे color का motif बना दिया. Let's see the options are. Mukesh ji, could you please take me through option? This is that zoom image. These are the motifs. आपको देखना है इसमें कौन सा color use हुआ है. That's it. And you have to opt that. Discuss about the second session. Yeah, second session was at center, so that question I don't have. It's a similar pattern, so that's what I'm showing you this. Let's take me through next question. 10 number. Rasmi, 10th number, इससे easy कोई question नहीं हो सकता. This is the image. Just take me through next slide. More closer view. What is happening here in this image? It's very simple. This is the color which is all around on paper, some color pattern. Now you have to find out the best outline. Outline is the two, like, you know, lines which is your all patterns, which is your in black and white format. Same image जब आप Photoshop किसी में या अपना फोटो को black and white करके देखते हो मोबाइल ऐप में, so how it's look. So let's see the black and white form of this composition. Look at the black and white form of this composition. Next question, please go through this. Yeah, these are the options for black and white, and you are supposed to choose the right answer. Next slide, Mr. Mukesh. One more options are there. Yeah. So only 4 options were there. That's again the screenshot, because of that it is seen well. So idea was to showing you this original paper. If you know all this pattern, if you have practiced this pattern properly, do you still think you need that much of time? The problem ये था जो we are not aware about it. It was not difficult. And the real student, though they know they have practiced in a similar pattern, they have worked on a web. I don't know how many of you are writing a test on web in a home or somewhere. अगर आप नहीं दे रहे होंगे, तो you are not in used to it, not in practice. You may have done some mistake. Well, so we will discuss in some classes the answer also. Today's session idea is to give you the overall brief of it. Coco, Shanti, beta. Go inside. Well, so it's very important to understand it. The question is never hard in any exam. Planning and their preparation is more important. You know, we need to understand it properly. That is more important. If you will see. Well, I will take you through those PPT of the color, which will help you. And I want Mr. Mukesh to take me through color PPT. Color wala aap nikala, Mr. Mukesh ji?
Yes, sir. Wait.
10 minutes I will teach you. If you are really interested, next session we'll join and we will discuss your problems are and how to do the planning for the exam. Take me through those. You are supposed to take. Close this one, color PPT.
Yes, sir. Wait for 2 minutes. I'm just opening.
Yeah, no problem. Well, meanwhile, I'll tell you. First 4 question was in same pattern. The one was slightly different. In between there is a one reasoning question. Then we have 3 questions on color, and last 2 questions you have to see the image and the similar you have to find. Maybe the one is the color and one is 2D. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different type of the question was there. And all these questions, if anyone from any background, if they will focus and study for a week also, can answer it. Just think, decide and tell me yes or no. Now, here I will take you through some color grid question. I will take you in different way. Yeah. So just go to the next slide, Mr. Mukesh. Yeah, these are some color emotion. You need to understand the value of the color. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah. Now each color represent what and why. Next slide, please. I'm not explaining you much about the color right now. These are the color meaning is defined in such a way so that it would be easy to understand. Like suppose red color when we talk. So red is why active, why power, why cheerful. If you will see the related brand like Coca-Cola or Printest or Lego. So Coca is always represent what? Youth. It's always represent what? Like, you know, it's all about your youthful, cheerness, bold, physical. They always shows power. They never say that we are healthy food. So how the red color here depicts the meaning of red. So that is what we are trying to tell you. Let's go to the next slide. So like that, pink, purple, blue, navy is here. Now again the red emotions. What we are trying to tell you, the one color having a bigger horizon. It may be the love and passion. It may be towards that soft side. It may be the anger. It may be the power. It may be some other terms also. The one color is in very much in a bigger horizon. Let's go to the next slide. Couple of slides, Mr. Mukesh. Same way in a green, brown. Next slide, pink. Next slide, blue. Again in a blue, there is a multiple horizon of the blue color. Purple, wealth. Next slide, yellow, white, color greed. Yeah. Now here is the color greed if we see, which was there in the question also. It's again having a different emotion as per that. You guys must have prepared already. That's what I'm teaching you very quickly and kind of giving you brief of the syllabus. Let's go to the next slide, Mr. Mukesh. So how the word represent? Here I want you guys to participate and tell me answers are and why, and then I will tell you how it is. Now tell me, in this slide, which color is rebellious and why? What happened, Coco? Which color is rebellious, guys? Tell me. Unmute and tell me, no problem. Hey, come on, quickly you have to answer me. You guys don't have time. Just 10 days. Red. One answer. Do you think this much time you need in your exam? That's what you need to open up. You need to participate. You need to understand the web and other things also at the same time. Please tell me.
Pink.
See, there are 3 colors. Either you can see that orange or pink. Red, orange, and blue. So which color? I asked the first word. Everyone is clear about the rebellious. किसी को doubt है rebellious के meaning में? Because your 16 marks question again depend on the meaning of word also. अगर किसी को word नहीं समझ में आता, तो you need to study more. Rebellious के meaning में किसी को doubt है? No sir. Understand Sonia, great. If you don't have doubt, anyone? If yes, thumbs up. थोड़ा active. सुबह से खाया नहीं है, परेशान हो आप लोग. Doubt there. Ah yeah, I want this one. Doubt there. Rebellious. The word rebellious when we say, so someone like suppose, आप क्या देखोगे? Everybody following is like, you know, walking in their own way. They are not following any rules. All is while driving. Everyone is following, you know, signals. ट्रैफिक. मैं वर्ड की मीनिंग किसी लैंग्वेज में नहीं, वर्ड का इमोशंस बताने का कोशिश कर रहा हूं आपको. टू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इमोशन, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एवरी वर्ड इन देयर ओन लैंग्वेज इट इज. सो रिबेलियस इज वेरी सिंपल. लाइक सपोज एवरीवन फॉलोइंग द traffic signal rules, and suddenly one biker came and he crossed all across right, left, and he crossed. That is called rebellious. Something which is, you know, out of the box. So I hope, like, you know, clear about the rebellious over here. So now in this image, tell me which word you think it's a rebellious. Quickly, I want each and every answer. And next question I'll not ask you. That is also my promise, because this much time if you will take, I really don't have. I don't know about you. Again, the one answer, blue. Prableen. Anyone else? Red.
Yes,
Aditya.
sir, blue.
Who is, why blue? Gauri?
सर बिकॉज वो सब रेड और ऑरेंज एनालॉगस लग रहा है और ब्लू एकदम ऐसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री जा रहा है, तो ऐसे बाहर उठ के आ रहा है.
परफेक्ट. माइंड में क्या आएगा हमारे माइंड में? लाइक, यू नो, व्हाट विल कम्स इन माइंड? ओ, रेड कलर, डेंजर, ये, दैट मींस दिस इज रिबेलियस. नो, इट्स अगेन डिपेंड ऑन सिचुएशन, कलर की मीनिंग. सो यू नीड टू स्टडी कलर मोर टू अंडरस्टैंड इन डिफरेंट सिचुएशन. जैसे एक इंसान को गुस्सा भी आ सकता है, बट वो इंसान हो सकता है जो उस नेचर का ना हो. वी से नो, ओके, दिस हैपेंड इन द मोमेंट, ही इज नॉट लाइक दैट और शी इज नॉट लाइक दैट. समटाइम वी डिफेंड समबडी. So when you defend someone, you know that person. Sir, एग्जाम में कलर के इफेक्ट के बारे में पूछा था. हाँ, I know कलर के इफेक्ट में बारे में पूछा था. I'm giving an example. This is the example of color effect only. Here in this particular situation, how the color effect is. इसमें भी वही हो रहा है ना? Anyone having any doubt about my explanation? मैं क्या कुछ अलग बता रहा हूँ क्या? No sir. Okay, good. नो प्रॉब्लम. तो आपको बिगर होराइजन में, माइक्रो होराइजन में प्रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे, जो कि एग्जैक्टली वही क्वेश्चन करेंगे. पैटर्न और एसेंस सेम होना चाहिए. होराइजन कैन बी बिगर. क्लियर? हियर व्हाट नीड टू बी डन? वेल, सो नाउ आइसोलेशन. अगेन आइसोलेशन, इफ यू विल सी, so something will come in a mind. Now I'll only give the answer because again you will take a lot of time to answer me. Blue, correct. Frustration. Who is in frustration mode? Quick answer if somebody can give me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, again blue. Blue is in isolation. Why? Frustration is also blue. It's very simple, because red and orange, red and pink is going together. Blue is not going together. Unpredictable or overpowering. Now if you have to select 4 words, बहुत सारे वर्ड डाले हुए, उसमें से 4 ऐसे वर्ड सेलेक्ट करने, तो यू कैन डू इट. गेटिंग इट? आपको क्या करना है? मोर एंड मोर सच क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस. पेपर you need to practice. Work you need to do it. We can achieve it. That's what I'm keep playing. I'm saying that you can still score 150 plus. अभी भी आ सकता है. लगता है आप लोगों को भी अब थोड़ा थोड़ा भरोसा होने लगा है ना? You are blank or your preparation is not in direction. That's what you feel like that. And I'm so happy. In just in 10-15 minute session, everybody is saying yes. At least you are able to think in that direction. Possible है अगर आप करना चाहते हो. किसी को तो आया होगा ना 150, 160, 170. चलो ठीक है, something. So how? Why? Just think, just analysis. आप अपना पेपर भी एनालिसिस करो. Again we'll discuss. Whatever टेस्ट पेपर आप दोगे इग्नाइट के साथ, वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. आप बने रहो. इग्नाइट इंस्टाग्राम पेज और यूट्यूब पे, वहां भी क्वेश्चन आएगा. ये क्वेश्चन भी हमने अपलोड करा था, बिकॉज वी वांट मैक्सिमम पीपल शुड गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ इट. लॉकडाउन है, प्रॉब्लम है. डू नॉट लेट एंजाइटी और टेंशन कम टू यू. Just take me through other question, Mr. Mukesh. Anyone had doubt? Let me take 1 minute more, guys. Let me come back, like, you know, or let it be on this question. Last question, frankly enough. कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट है, if I speak in Hindi because of that you don't understand, और हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे वर्ड मीनिंग, ये सब समझ में नहीं आया, आपको नहीं आया और आपने हाँ बोल दिया, क्योंकि एग्जाम फिर हो जाएगा और दूसरे के मत्थे आप ये करोगे जो ये नहीं आया वो नहीं आया. अगर यू आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम, यू आर नॉट एबल टू शेयर इन द ग्रुप मैसेज, प्लीज राइट इन द दिस थिंग्स, चैट बॉक्स, पर्सनल मैसेज. हाँ जी बोलिए.
बोला तो मैंने मिस कर दिया. मेरा नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था. आपने क्या बोला मैंने नहीं सुना अभी.
चलो तो आप रिकॉर्डिंग सेशन कोई बात नहीं है. आई एम ओके विथ इंग्लिश सर. No. आप साई प्रणब और somebody, I know you are okay with English, but the thing is, we know how the demography of India. If somebody is from Kerala, Karnataka, where I am right now, or so it's very different perspective when I'm in Bangalore and when I'm in Bombay. So it's things change, है ना? So it is language is I don't count language. Language कुछ भी नहीं है. It's a way to communicate. That's it. तो बाबू आपने मिस कर दिया, कोई नहीं, आपको हम फिर से बताएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है?
Thank you, sir.
There is nothing to worry about it. ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है. Now ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, आप समझ जाएंगे. जैसे do you think this image exactly defining these words? Organize, harmony, mysterious, nature, beauty. कोई हर एक वर्ड इसके साथ जा रहा है.
नहीं, mysterious नहीं जा रहा है ना.
Mysterious नहीं जाएगा, कैसे बताओ? क्या होता है mysterious में? Did you see the colors of mystery? उसमें क्या होता है? Blue.
Black और
कलर आप देख रहे हो ना, but yes, I agree, black color. But do you remember harmony was, I mean, वो हमारा blue color जो था वो rebellious था, blue color जो था वो frustrated था. That is not a nature of color. It is not only because of the color. It is because of the composition.
okay.
यहाँ पे जो composition में purple से brown कैसे हो रहा है, orange से yellow कैसे हो रहा है, that's a mystery. Getting it? है ना? Horizon bigger करना अपना, सोचने का तरीका बड़ा करना हमें, and we will get the answer.
Okay.
आ रहा है? Clear?
हाँ sir. Yes, sir.
Doubt clear हो रहा है ना? हाँ. तो we need to understand. जो क्वेश्चन इजी था, पहले तो ये मानना सोचना शुरू कर लो, निहायत ही इजी था. एक हफ्ते प्रिपेयर करके आप अच्छा मार्क्स ला सकते थे, और यू कैन गेट गुड मार्क्स. दैट इज अ की ऑफ सक्सेस इन पार्ट ए ओनली. पार्ट बी में अभी बायो आ गया, अगले बार हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. हु नोज, वी नेवर नो, है ना? पार्ट बी का कितना भी कर लो समुद्र है. पार्ट ए तो क्लियर है ना, सॉर्टेड दिया उन्होंने. वी विल प्रिपेयर, वी विल हैव टेस्ट फॉर पार्ट ए आल्सो, देयर इज नो डाउट, बट वी ऑल नो दैट इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल लाइक अ बैंगलोर वेदर.